Flash fill is a new feature with Excel 2013. Flash fill will fill in a series of cells by guessing the pattern of the series. It's a great way to transform or reformat text. To fill a series using flash fill, in a column adjacent to the text you are referencing, begin entering the values or text in the cells as you'd like it to appear, starting with the cell at the top and working your way down. If you have a row of column headings, make sure that it is in bold or in a different font so that Excel will ignore it when determining the pattern. When Excel recognizes the pattern, it will present the rest of the data series in gray text. Once you see the gray text, press Enter on the keyboard to accept. Here's a note. If you continue typing when you are presented with the gray flash fill text, the flash fill option will disappear. To use flash fill, once the gray text option has disappeared, type the values or text as you'd like it to appear in the first 3 or 4 cells. Then select those cells, hover in the lower right-hand corner to get the Autofill handle, and drag the handle down to complete the series. Once you have released the Autofill handle, click on the Autofill options box and choose Flash Fill. Your cells should now be filled with a pattern.